Hey guys, it's Dale with the insurance and your quirky question of the week. This week we have what's become a bit of a buzzword, cybersecurity, cyber liability. A customer of ours kind of shot us an email, hey, do I need cyber liability? What is it? Et cetera, et cetera. So I thought, hey, it'd be, especially given the influx and the emphasis on cybersecurity nowadays, it'd be very nice just to go over it. For me personally, I think of cyber security, cyber liability in two ways: first party and third party, right? The first party insurance, as you could imagine, directly impacts your business. So for instance, let's say your information or your computer system was down or it was breached in some way and you couldn't run your business, let's say for a certain amount of time. The loss of income that you experience from that loss would be covered. If there was any theft of your equipment, computer-related equipment, which prevented you from providing services to your customers, that loss of income would also be covered. The third party is, I'd say, much more prevalent. That's when, for instance, let's say you hear about all these data breaches, whether it's Target or other big retailers where people have stolen hundreds of thousands of people's information, whether it be credit card information or more personal information. There are costs associated with that. Cost of notifying all of those clients, cost of providing those clients with, let's say, identity theft security for, let's say, a year or so, and resulting you might even be sued. That's the third party coverage that cybersecurity provides for you. Also, if you provide any software type of consulting advice, cybersecurity can also cover you for any E&O exposure. Let's say you overlooked something while consulting with a customer, or your design for a building was found faulty. Those type of things are also, from an E&O perspective, covered under cybersecurity. So yes, it's a very, very good coverage to have, whether you believe you have direct exposure, like that third party exposure where you're taking in clients' personal information and you're susceptible to a data breach, or if you just feel that, hey, you know what, if our systems go down and I can't run my business, I want to be able to file a claim for loss of income. Those are first party and third party coverages that cybersecurity would cover you for. That's our quirky question of the week. Remember to send your questions to questions@einsure.com, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Take care.